Have you ever felt overwhelmed with the thought of organizing your home with ADHD because of everything you have to decide, do, and the time required for organizing your home? Well, I'm gonna tell you how to do it in less time, easier, and with less stress. The first hack is to use baskets around your home. Really low effort. All you have to do is set a basket down. You're done with the setup. You never have to move it again. The other thing is you can put anything you want to a basket and retrieve it really easily and quickly as well too. And the other important thing about a basket is you can always see what is inside the basket, and that keeps it visual for ADHD. And that is important because out of sight, out of mind may be a thing that you deal with. The next thing is about dealing with piles you may have around your home. Laundry pile or piles of just random stuff that you just decided you didn't want to organize. So instead of actually making those piles there, you take a container and put it in that location. That way, when you get tempted to make a new pile, you put all that stuff into a container. It looks more organized and you didn't really have to do anything extra except put the container down. The next hack is use shallow containers. Now, the reason you want to do this is because with a shallow container, it takes less time to fill up than a big container. And so when you see that container get filled up, you're forced to actually go over there and organize and put whatever is away that was in that container. The next hack is put things where you use them, because what you want to do is you want to take everything you need for a specific activity and put it all in one place. And the reason you want to do this is because it makes it easier for you to start on what you're trying to do and actually know everything is there and you don't have to go look around for it somewhere else. Now, this may take a little time to get set up, but once you set it up, the lazy part of this is that you only have to do that once, and then going forward, all you have to do is kind of maintain it, but you always know that section is for this purpose and those things should be in that section. And then you find something that belongs in that place that you set up, you know where it goes and you can take it back and put it away in that place as well. So it makes it really easy for all those different things. If you are enjoying the content and getting value out of the content, then click the subscribe button for me so you don't miss any videos. The next hack is when you lose something in your home, there is going to be a place that you go look for that thing first. And because you think that thing should be in that place, that is where it belongs in your home. And so what you want to do is when you find that thing, you may want to change the location that you have in your home for that thing to the place where you went and looked for that thing first. Because in your mind, you're already saying, this is where that thing belongs. This is where that thing should be. And so when you change that location, it's going to make it really easy for you to remember where that thing should be or where to find that thing. And all you have to do is change the location of that one thing to that new location. So it really doesn't take a whole lot of effort to do that, and it will help you to remember things as long as a place where you thought of first makes sense for that thing to be. And the next hack is when you are going to put things back in its place because it was out of place in your home, when you get to the place where that thing belongs, go ahead, take a look around and see if anything there is out of place that needs to actually go back to another place in your home. Just a quick glance is all you need to do, and it doesn't take but a couple of seconds to do that. And this is something you can do because you're already at the location anyway, so there's really no extra effort for you to actually do this. And that's gonna actually keep your home more organized and something that you can do that's really easy as well. The next hack is get 2 containers and put them in your bathroom. You're gonna take all your skincare products and put them in those 2 containers. One container is for AM or the morning. One container is for PM and all the evening stuff. You separate them that way you know where all this stuff is for the time of day that you need it. It makes it easy. It's easy to set up, and it just saves you time for when you have to get ready for your day or get ready for your night. The next hack is for all the clothes that you think that you can wear again. You've worn them once, but you think, yeah, they're not really dirty. I can definitely wear them again. And so you get a bin and you put all those clothes in that bin. This keeps it separate from the dirty clothes and the clean clothes. Now, the thing about this is a lot of times when you wear something once, you might put it on the back of a chair or on your bed. And instead of that, you have a bin that you can put these clothes in. It prevents you from actually cluttering up your room in another way by just laying them on just random places in your room or in your home. And the next hack is for any bag that you need to remember to take with you the next day. You do not want to forget them. So what you do is actually hang that bag on the doorknob of the door that you are going to go out to leave your home in the morning. This helps you to make sure you will not forget that bag, because when you go to leave your home, you have to go turn the doorknob, and then that is where the bag is going to be. So you'll grab the bag and leave your home then. This prevents that bag from being around your home and from you having to go around and look for it if it's not where you can find it. So this helps you to always have a place for that bag so that you can get out of the house on time and get to wherever you need to get to for your day. And the next hack is to have a trash can in every room of your home. And this is great because once you put the trash cans down, you don't have to move them again. If you need a place to put trash, then it's convenient because you know in every room there is one where you can put trash. The other thing that is really good about this is you put one by the front door, and then when you come in from getting your mail, all the junk mail should go in that trash can so you don't bring it into your home, so it doesn't end up on the floor, on a desk, on the table, on the couch. Just junk mail just clutters up your home so much. And also if you have magazines that you just don't read anymore, that you're still getting the subscription for, then you put those in there as well. And it just helps to keep your home less cluttered and more organized. The next hack is to get a ladder for your room, and they make ladders that you actually just lean up against the wall, and what you do is you put your clothes on there, your washcloths, your towels, whatever you want to put on there on the rungs of the ladder, and it makes it look more organized, makes it easy to take things off and put things on. And the fact that it's so easy to just move around and use makes it a really good lazy organization hack. The next hack is get furniture that has storage space inside it. Maybe a storage ottoman, storage couch, storage chair. These are multifunctional furniture pieces, and the great thing about this is you put one type of thing, which is my suggestion, inside of each piece of furniture that has storage inside it. That way you know what is in each piece of furniture really easily. For example, you have a storage ottoman, you put all your remotes, your video game controllers in there, or maybe you have a storage chair where you put your board games and stuff in there as well. And so this is a great way to free up more space in your home. The next hack is of a sock drawer, and then inside that sock drawer have a container for all the mismatched socks, and put those socks in the container. That way you know where they are, and then as you find socks, you can try to match them up if nothing is in the drawer but socks. Now if you do want to have something else inside the drawer, then get a drawer divider and maybe have socks on one side and underwear on the next side, and that can be a solution as well too. And the next hack is to actually get a label maker and just label everything. Yes, it's gonna take you some time to do that, but once you're done, it makes it really easy to just look at the label and know where something is or what the location is. And that's a really good thing, because then you're not using working memory or trying to figure something out and trying to search around for something, and that takes much more time than just going in, looking at the label, and then knowing what something is or where something is. And something else good to know is how to make your home ADHD friendly. I have a video that goes over all sorts of hacks to actually do that. I'm going to put it up on the screen. Just click the video. It should be coming up somewhere here. Just click that video and watch that video.